Hi everyone, I'm Christine with Pinspired to DIY, and today I am reviewing this 10 by 13 garden gazebo from Abba Patio, and you can find this on Amazon.com, and the link is on my webpage where this review is posted. So I did receive this canopy for free from Abba Patio, and I am providing my completely honest review of the gazebo. So first, it does have mosquito netting on all four sides that just easily Velcro. And so you can undo all four sides, and all four sides also zip together, so it's completely enclosed to keep out all types of bugs and mosquitoes if those are a problem in your area. And again, if you want the mosquito netting up, it just Velcros together at each of the corners. And what's nice is when it is Velcroed at the corners, it gives it this nice flowy feel for the netting, so it's just not kind of hanging there plainly. So now I'll show you the inside of the canopy. So this gazebo was very simple to put together. I did the whole assembly in under 2 hours by myself. All of the poles connect together with these kind of click into place type connectors. So you press the little metal kind of ball thing in, slide it into the pole, and then it clicks back through the hole. And so the entire gazebo are all connected with those types of connectors. So it makes assembly very simple and easy for one person to do on their own. So you can see the connectors all are there. All of the metal pieces that came with the gazebo are nicely labeled so you can follow along with the instructions. So for instance, this one was a 2. I still need to peel off the stickers. So that made assembly and following the instructions pretty simple. The canopy top is held on by these kind of bungee type cords that wrap around the pole and then slide back through. So there's 2 of those on each of the long sides, and then 1 on each of the shorter sides of the canopy. And that makes it very easy to remove the canopy in the winter months or anytime you might want to take it off, or if you ever need to replace it. The mosquito netting is held on just by Velcro straps that again wrap over the poles. So again, those are also very easy to remove if you ever need to. You just unvelcro them and pull it off. The only places on the canopy that require any type of bolts are these corner brackets that help support the gazebo and keep it from wobbling. As you can see, it goes across and connects to each side of the canopy, and then there are 2 bolts on each side of that corner bracket. Because it is fairly lightweight, it does tend to move around in the wind. So the feet on the gazebo have 2 holes on the front, one on the front, one on the back, and that allows you to bolt or screw the gazebo down into the deck or the concrete that you have it sitting on. I don't plan on screwing mine in just yet because we do plan on doing some work out here in our pool area. So I did buy sandbags for each of the 4 legs that you fill with, I think, 30 pounds of sand each. And so I'll be putting those onto my canopy until I can get it into a permanent position once we're done with all our remodeling. We've had a little bit of rain since I first put this canopy up about a week ago. And the only issue I found is that water tends to collect in this area between the 2 poles because there's no support going up through the center. So to fix that, I'm likely going to get some bungee cords or some other type of piping to connect to the long poles on the edges and then up to the center to provide some more support for the center. But in the meantime, once it rains, if you just come out and pull down on the side, it'll drain the water off. So it's pretty easy to get rid of the water if it does build up there. But overall, it's a great canopy. It provides a lot of shade and it's very spacious. As you can see, I have an entire love seat, 2 chairs, and a coffee table in here. And there's still plenty of room to walk around and remain in the shade. So you could also probably fit a pretty good sized dining table in here if you wanted to have an outdoor shaded dining area that's protected from mosquitoes and other bugs. I also bought these really cool kind of solar cafe lights. And again, I bought those on Amazon.com, but they attach to a little solar panel that goes into the ground, so it provides some nice lighting and ambiance in here if you want to sit in the gazebo in the evening. So overall, it's a great gazebo. I believe it runs for about $279 to $300, somewhere in that range. And again, it is available on Amazon.com. You can find the link on my website. And I think it's a great value for the price, and I'm really enjoying having this out here by the pool area.